Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
We recently repainted our kitchen cabinets, and these handles made them look stunning. They look completely different, and they were really nice to install. They came with several screws, and my husband and me installed these ourselves, no problem whatsoever. This is by KNOKLOCK, and this is the 5-inch handle in the color champagne bronze, and I am obsessed with these. Every time I go to open my cabinets, I think, man, these look so good, and they really do. I love the square handle. I feel like it's very modern, and I also just love it's a timeless look and really updated my kitchen. I can't say enough about this. So if you're looking to remodel your kitchen or even just updating the handles, definitely check out these. They are beautiful and I highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.